Don't stay a larva. Become something more. At first, a larva looks small, unwanted, and ordinary. Just a creature that crawls and eats leaves. But that small body hides a future no one sees yet. The larva must enter the cocoon, a quiet place of change, where it's no longer its old self, but not yet its future self. Let us learn about one real example of transformation in nature, the salt marsh caterpillar. Today, I will be talking about a hairy caterpillar known as the salt marsh caterpillar, scientifically called Stygmaea acrea. Let's talk about the taxonomic classification. The salt marsh caterpillar belongs to the following groups: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, which includes butterflies and moths, superfamily Noctoidea, family Erebidae, also known as tiger and tussock moths, subfamily Actiniae, genus Stygmaea, species Stygmaea archaea. The salt marsh caterpillar is very hairy with long tuft of hair covering each body segment. Its color can vary greatly. Some appears dark, while others may be brown, gray, orange, yellow, or whitish. The caterpillar in the image is mostly dark-colored, with lighter markings near the head. Salt marsh caterpillars are commonly found in open areas such as fields, grasslands, farms, and marshes. They are also widely distributed in subtropical and tropical regions, where warm climates support their growth and food plants. Now, let's talk about the behavior of salt marsh caterpillar. They are very active and are often seen moving quickly across the ground in search of food. Although they are not poisonous and do not have stinging hairs, it is still best not to touch wild caterpillars since some can cause skin irritation. Let's talk about the adult form. When fully grown, the caterpillar changes into moth called the salt marsh moth. The adult moth is usually white with small black spots and has a bright orange abdomen. The salt marsh caterpillar goes through 4 stages of development. Let's talk about the life cycle of salt marsh caterpillar. Egg. The adult females lays eggs on the other side of the leaves. Let's proceed to the stage 2, which is the larva or the caterpillar. This is the stage shown in the image. The caterpillar eats constantly and grows through several stages called instars. Stage 3, become a pupa. The caterpillar forms a cocoon and becomes a pupa, where it changes internally. The last stage called adult. The moth emerges, mates, and lays eggs to begin the cycle again. Just like in life, sometimes we must pass through a season of waiting so that we can grow into who we are meant to be.